All right. So this is for the first meeting, our first meeting in the third quarter. No, in the third quarter. So I think, ano ta? Third quarter na, gamay na lang. Gamay na lang, mahuman na ta. Moving up na sila. Moving up na gid mo. Sige. Now this time, the first lesson for the third, our first lesson for the third quarter is the different languages of campaigns and advocacies. Actually, class, tulo ni siya kabuok. This is three. So, language of research, campaigns, and advocacy. However, however, I found the language of research. Sorry. I found the language of research broad. So, dako kay ang scope sa language of research. So, Ako siyang gi-separate. So, we'll have first the language of campaigns and advocacies. Okay? Now, let's try to observe and examine the pictures here. So, examine the details of the pictures. Okay. I'll give you a minute to examine the details of the pictures. Look at the every details, the wordings, the how it's being made, every detail niya, even the specific and the smallest detail, tanawa, you observe. All right. So now, here, what do the posters trying to do towards their audience? What do you think these posters trying to do to their audience? What do these posters trying to do towards their audience? Ethan.
Giving attention, sir, and also
Mm-hmm.
not necessarily to like be like encourage, sir, like this, for example, sir, in the fourth picture,
Mm-hmm.
the this ad, or should I say campaign, is trying to tell us that we should buy products in our country, or should we say local products.
Okay.
That's
So who
all right.
else? Or in short, they're trying to encourage.
Yes, sir.
Okay. What else? Encourage, to encourage. Okay.
To promote, sir.
To promote. Why is it to promote? Is something again to promote?
Ako, sir.
Philip, why is it to promote? Why you said it to promote?
That, just like in the first picture, sir, kanang
Mm-hmm.
more fun in the Philippines, sir.
Mm.
Kanang it is encouraging kanang mga tourists, sir, or by promoting, sir, or promote, sir. Kanang by going to
Okay.
Philippines, by kanang by ano na siya, by ano na, how beautiful is kanang our country is, sir.
Okay. Who else? Ito pa. That's Kanoy. What's your observation, Kanoy?
It's more like kanang awareness or attraction o mga kanang informations about that cancer.
Okay. What can you say? Si Mafranca. Anything you want to add? Okay. Napay mo i-add? Mora to? To encourage, to promote? Swen. Tingnan kay i-add, Swen.
Useful information, sir.
Okay? Unsa may naa sa useful information, Tristan?
Karang kuan, sir ba? Karang si Alden Richard, sir.
Mm-hmm.
He's showing about kuan, sir. Prevent COVID-19, sir ba?
Okay, they're trying to show. Okay. Ano ko'y word nga gipangita? Andrew, our one of the winners of
Answer
story
to
making.
answer
Huh?
to advocate about something or someone, sir.
To advocate, okay? In order to advocate something, what are you trying to imply or what are you trying to do? Lagi, you are advocating something. What are you trying to do? Sige, hapit na. Oh, Ethan,
Trying to get a topic, sir.
get the topic. Oh, nilayo na noon. Okay. Ana ha, nilayo siya. Sige, ana siya. Diba? You are trying to advocate something or these posters are advocating something. Diba? Or promoting something. When you promote something, you are doing or you are blank your audience.
Encouraging.
Encouraging? Almost na good. Almost na.
Informing, sir.
And almost na jud. Ethan,
Appeal the audience, sir.
appeal. Gamay na lang yun.
Oh no.
Also, nag-start the letter,
No.
sir.
Sir, to notify the
Okay.
audience.
Notify. Not so. Okay. Diba? Look at the picture. Look at these posters. Okay, guys. Come on. Look at these posters.
Motivate.
Analyze. No. Isa. Look at the posters. Diba? Are they promoting something?
Yes.
Yes, of course, they are promoting something. Now, when you are promoting something, you are blank your audience in
Inspire.
order, yeah, no, you are blank your audience in order for them to support your campaign.
Recommend.
Huh?
Approach.
Recommending.
Commending? No.
Attracting.
Attracting? Almost not attracting. Almost na.
Approaching, sir.
Approaching? Almost na dyan.
Uplift.
Uplift? No. Awa ha. It's more fun in the Philippines. Bida. Stop killing the farmers. or tangkilikin ang sariling atin, support locals. 'Di ba there are promotion, there are advocacy, they are types of different types of advocacy or examples of an advocacy. Now, they are advocating something. Okay? When you are advocating something, you are blank your audience in order for the audience to support you.
Inspiring.
Almost.
Sir,
Kamay na lang.
implementation.
And no.
Motivating.
No.
Catching.
Almost na lang catching.
Finding.
Finding, no. You're
Capturing.
finding your
I love,
audience.
sir. You will love your audience.
Okay. Awa. In another scenario, kung ako na maligya ko, di ba? Na maligya ko. So kung ako mamaligya, akong customer, akong baligyaan para suportahan ko, para palitan. So unsa man akong gibuhat?
Forcing.
Attracting.
Char.
Oy, grabe sa ka-forcing.
Attracting, sir.
Attracting, almost na dyan ng attracting.
Buying.
Pursuing.
Communicate.
Almost ang pursuing. Almost.
Sir,
almost.
motivate.
Persuade.
Ha?
Persuade.
Persuade.
Convincing.
You are convincing. You are persuading or convincing your audience in order for them to support you. Ooh. Diba? Look at the posters. Are they trying to persuade someone? Yes. The first picture, it's more fun in the Philippines. That poster trying to persuade someone that there is something more in the Philippines. The second one, also. Third one, as much as also the fourth one. Okay? They are trying to persuade their audience in order for their campaign being supported. Nga naman, in an advocacy, if you don't have any supporters, therefore, your advocacy is senseless. Senseless. Wala siya sense. Weak. Ano man, your supporters gives you the strength para mo success ang imong advocacy. Diba? Or another example, aside from that four, plant more trees. Diba? Kabantay mo, ana nga, there are a lots of campaign materials, posters about planting more trees, diba? Though their posters persuades someone in order for them to being supported. Now, they are persuading. In order to reach their goal, what type of language should be used? Diba? Ang ilang goal is to make their audience persuaded para na sila support. So in order for them to reach that goal, what type of language is being used? Go back again sa posters. Go back to the posters. What do you think are the types of languages or types of language being used in these posters? Sige daw.
English and Filipino, sir.
Okay. What else? Oh, unsa kay characteristics be? Give the characteristics of the words nga naa sa kuan, naa sa posters. Look at the posters. Okay. Notice,
So
examine,
answer
i-examine.
motivating.
Okay, motivating. O, kana ha. Number one na, motivating.
Catchy, sir.
Catching. What else?
Factual.
Factual.
Formal, sir.
Appe-
Sometimes
formal.
formal, Kriyas. Huh?
Appealing, sir, appealing.
Appealing. So those are the characteristics of the language used in those posters. And these characteristics belong to the persuasive language. Okay, persuasive. Ba? So how can you persuade someone if you will not use persuasive language? Again, the characteristics of a persuasive language is catching, appealing, attractive, ba? Mo na ang mga characteristics of a persuasive language. This in this part, your persuasive skills will be tested. Hmm. Unsa mo ka maayo mo dani? Ah, how persuasive are you? Di ba? So, questions. None. Sabtan ra. Sunod ra? Nasunod ra ba? Sunod ra? Okay. Now, here. Study closely the campaign poster and notice its details. Okay. Here, study the campaign posters. Study closely the campaign poster and notice each detail. Okay. I'll give you 2 to 3 minutes to examine, to study the poster. Because after that, I'll ask a couple of questions in realizing these uh, posters. Done? Okay. Now, first question. First question. What is the poster all about?
All about homeless animals.
Huh?
All about kana helping homeless animals.
Helping of hopeless animals. Okay. Andrew?
Answer, it's about promoting, sir, that each of us, sir, has to adopt, sir, rather than buying pets from the pet store, sir.
Okay. What else? Ethan?
Based on what I've seen in this picture or
Mm-hmm.
campaign poster generally, it says that instead of like adopting animals in some we say pet store, we we can just find and we can help homeless animals that are sick and homeless, and we can just adopt them, sir. We can just adopt
Okay.
them and taking care of them for their own good, because they are sometimes animals can be like family members, sir.
Second family member. All right. Now, what other information is being presented in the poster? Yes, Andrew. What other information is being presented?
Yes, sir. The poster also states, sir, that the best companions, sir, are often another species, sir. So it refers to animals, sir, rather than having a human as your best friend, sir, which is common, sir. Have an animal, sir, because they're much more unique.
All right. Now, what does it said that is said? I mean, that is being said in the poster that what will happen to the animals if they're not being adopted? Does it being said in the poster what will happen to the animals if they are not being adopted? Yes, Andrew.
Koan, sir, they will go through euthanasia, sir, which is also known as mercy killing, sir. So animals at the
Mm-hmm.
shelter, sir, will be killed, sir, if no one adopts them for a certain period of time, sir.
All right. Good. Now, it happens. I choose this poster, no, not because just I chose this poster not because it is the one that I have only seen in the Google, but I chose this poster because it happened that I had watched a vlog, a video blog by a Philippine also. She rescued lots of um, lots of dogs and other animals in a pound para he adopt a lot. So daghan ka siya gikuha gi rescue para sa iyang animal shelter. Iyang gi-rescue from a pound. Kay kani mga street animals, especially dogs commonly, no? Commonly, if madakpan na sila, they are just given 3 days. They are just, after nila madakpan, they are just been giving 3 days para ma-adopt sila. If they are not being adopted or no one will claim them, they will undergo to a euthanasia, wherein they're being killed or mercy killing. So 3 days ra ang ihata. Once madakpan ng dog, the dog will be given 3 days. If walay mo claim, mo-undergo na siya og kuan, euthanasia. So, mo na siya. Okay? So, now look at how does this, how does the poster convince its audience? How does this poster, sorry, okay. Mo lagi. Yeah, for a while. Okay. So how does the poster convince the audience? How does the poster convince the audience? Here. Yes, Philip. How does this poster convince?
Sir, kanang it is convincing sir audiences sir so kanang by adapting kanang animals sir, as Andrew said sir, if no one adopts them sir, they will be kanang get mercy killed sir.
Okay. So, looking at the poster, giyon sa man niya pag-convince sa audience, kanoy?
Through giving a negative option, sir.
Yes, there is a negative option. Correct. What else? Oh, Andrew.
By encouraging, sir, that the best companions are often of other species, sir, just like it's stated there.
Correct. Na I quote. There is a quote or there is a sa may tawag na. Yeah, striking sentence. There is a striking sentence or striking statement nga gi-include. What else? Mora ba? Look at the poster. Examine it closely. Examine closely the poster. How does this poster convince the audience? Maura ba? Using ra ba convincing or striking statement? What else?
The design, sir, of the background.
Correct. Sa design. Exactly. Wow, look at the design. Does the design of a hand, I mean, a paw over a hand, mean a lot? Of course. It helps, the design helps uh, encouraging the audience. So it is not just only the language, but also the design. Diba? Alangan na mauto ang message, but akong design is mountain. Oh, not relate. It's not relate. The design of a campaign matters also. Questions? No? No more questions? Okay. This is your assignment. Don't worry. Don't worry. This assignment is the only dili na siya assignment kaayo. But this is just an activity. No? This is just an activity. Ay. Okay. Saan to? Wa man ako ma-include sa akong PowerPoint. Ay. Sige. Now, here is your task. You draw a poster campaigning a relevant issue, a current relevant issue nowadays. Okay. You search for a relevant social issue. Current ha, kanang current ganito ba karon? Social issue. And draw a campaign poster about it. Then, you will present it to me on next week, Wednesday. So therefore, dugay man na siya no. Para di mo ma-stress, by tomorrow, we will meet a short around 5 minutes. Then after 5 minutes, I will dismiss you tomorrow and you have the whole time to make the poster campaign. Because that poster campaign will serve as your written test. Okay? Questions? Ethan?
Sir, social issue like that, sir. For example, like rape, sir. Social issue,
Oh,
sir.
come on. Social issue. Current,
Including
huh?
including in the social media, sir.
Oh, any.
Okay. Okay.
You have
Okay,
the
thank you.
freedom.
Sir,
Thank you,
unsa
sir.
ka
Thank you, sir.
pag-pass?
Ang saan pag-pass? Tomorrow, you will present it to Mira. And
Tomorrow, sir?
magkuhan ra ko sa kwan, maghatag ra ko further instruction tomorrow.
Sige.
Basta lang ninyo makaplana mo karon gabi then by tomorrow, after na to mag-meet 5 minutes, then you will be given an activity, makamake na mo. For further, ang 5 minutes for further instruction na lang to. Sige? So, questions?
Using just
Yes.
open paper? Or like,
You can have bond paper sa first or paper lang sa because I might instruct you to transfer it in a digital. or
Pwede sir,
mapag
MS Word sir.
not MS Word siguro. Any digital nga kuan naman. Naman na online. If makahimo kag Microsoft Word maayo. But in online murag na may online na poster making kuan, poster making kuan. Website. Yes, Ethan.
So we'll make first a concept, sir, so we can present it
Concept lang
tomorrow.
sa
Yes,
concept
sir.
lang sa tomorrow.
Okay, sir.
Sige.
Thank you.
Okay? Questions? How much points is that? 60 points lang naman. 30 for the poster and 30 for the how you will explain it to me on Wednesday next week. Question? Wala na. Sige. Thank you and goodbye.
Bye, sir.
Bye sir, thank you.
Bye, sir.
Bye.
Bye, sir.
Bye sir, thank you.
Thank you, sir.